Are you ready to deploy OpenClaw in the easiest, most efficient way possible without writing a single line of code or using any API? Meet Minimax Agent, the zero-code AI workspace that lets anyone, from individuals to entire teams, launch intelligent agents instantly. Getting started is effortless. Go to agent.minimax.io and click Sign Up. Use your email or social login, verify your account, and you're in. The Minimax workspace is your hub for AI-powered development and automation. From your dashboard, you can launch new projects for websites, apps, or automated workflows. Explore pre-configured AI experts and ready-to-use automation templates. Access MaxClaw for 24/7 automated task execution. Use web dev agents for full-stack development without coding. Enable desktop co-work for AI workflows directly on your computer. And track analytics, task history, and expert marketplace credits. With Minimax's web dev agent, building complete applications is as simple as giving text instructions. Back-end logic, UI design, and integrations like images, videos, and visual search tools are handled automatically. Your apps are deployable immediately. Minimax manages MCPs, Minimax control points, automatically. As projects grow, the agent scales efficiently, reusing tools without manual setup or deployment. You can click any element on a website, describe changes, and see them applied instantly for effortless UI and UX fine-tuning. MaxClaw keeps OpenClaw running continuously, automating web or mobile tasks from posting and data scraping to messaging without manual intervention. Minimax also converts workflows and SOPs into custom AI experts. Describe your process. And the agent generates a fully functioning expert, no configuration, no tool mapping, no rules required. Running directly on macOS and Windows, Minimax integrates with your local environment while keeping data private. It connects to files, emails, calendars, Git repositories, and logs, all processed locally. Batch processing lets you execute multiple repetitive tasks at once, freeing you to focus on high-value work. From website navigation and form filling, Word, PowerPoint, and PDF, Minimax handles it all. Thousands of pre-configured experts are ready to copy, customize, and integrate into your projects, covering everything from automation to content generation. Powered by Minimax M2.5, your tasks complete faster, more accurately, and more cost-effectively than ever. Zero-code development, MaxClaw automation, custom experts, batch workflows, browser control, and desktop co-working put the power of AI directly in your hands. Sign up today at agent.minimax.io and deploy OpenClaw in the simplest, fastest way imaginable.